Right keys here. Currently have AceStarter airdrop here. The rank is not available. Market data is currently not available, but you can see we have about 3,695,895 users currently having these token airdrop here. These token on your watch list. So we're gonna be the 896 person user. So AceStarter has just been added to our airdrop, our watch list, and make sure your watch list set at public. Uh, this is the official web address if you want to check out this project. It has not been audited. There's no contract is not available here. But as of recording, currently have about 6 days left for this airdrop. It's currently an ongoing airdrop. So AceStarter and CoinMarketCap AvaAce legendary NFT airdrop. So you participate in the AceStarter NFT airdrop. So this is basically an NFT airdrop. You're getting one NFT each. All you need to do is to make sure once you're logged in, I'll be dropping a link in the description box. You open an account on CoinMarketCap, click on the join this airdrop. Once you're logged in, direct link will still be made available here. So airdrop will be ending by March 15th. Currently 223 NFTs that will be given out to the users or the lucky winners. So mind you, participants are much, but the selection basis is usually randomly selected, so you want to take note of that. So the AceStarter is the next generation launchpad that curates and launches world-class crypto projects on a global scale. So AvaAce NFT is an applicable concept on the AceStarter platform where communities can own NFT to use as their unique avatar and voucher as well. So communities can purchase AvaAce and an Ace shop or participate in AceStarter's airdrop campaign. So guys, if you are lucky enough to get this, you can take it over to Ace shop to sell it off if you want to sell it off on your marketplace. The AvaAce NFTs are divided into different levels, each of it with its own benefits. So AvaAce common initial value at $100, avatar plus guaranteed key for IDO whitelist slot on any project listed on AceStarter. Then AvaAce uncommon initial value at $190, avatar plus guaranteed 2 key for IDO whitelist slots, and just more guys. So the prices are ranging from $100, $190, $270. I think the most expensive one happens to be the one of $450. So he said AvaAce legendary, that's the legendary one, says guaranteed key and more. So they are currently giving away 223 AvaAce legendary NFTs worth $450 each to 223. So the guys, I think this, since it's a free airdrop, you want to participate on this guys. I think it's a great project. The simple task to get your free AvaAce legendary NFTs is to add AceStarter to your watch list. Make sure your watch list set at public. Twitter account, follow them on Twitter, like, retweet, tag at least 3 of your friends with the hashtag AceStarter Launchpad. So guys, for bonus tip, we suggest you tag as much as 100 friends if you have them that are interested in crypto projects. Then aside that, you want to retweet. If you can pin the post, you can also pin the post. It could be an added advantage for you. The next you need to do is to join AceStarters and Telegram global chat. HTTPS, TME, AceStarter global. Then join AceStarters announcement. Okay. So you need to like AceStarter's Facebook page and more. Subscribe to YouTube channel. Subscribe to the Discord channel and more. Fill in the airdrop form. Leave your BAP20 address, and that's it, guys. So you want to make sure you follow them and try and stay active on these platforms. Shabbat keys. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel so you get notified whenever we drop beneficial uploads, guys. Peace out and stay blessed.